I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So you may recall the box of tools I got recently from John McLaren, and there's a bunch of pliers and different tools in there. One of the items was this. It's a small pair of Craftsman Needlenose. It's got some really great a little, I don't know if you'd call it tooling or something in the handles there. That looks really cool. But there's a lot of pitting in this top part, which I guess you would call the jaws. So I may have to adjust the profile. I'm a little worried about that. I've seen it done, but I'm not, well, we'll give it a try anyway. But anyhow, let's see if we can fix this up. So let's get to it. Well, that wasn't a big deal, actually. That went pretty quickly. I did not get all the pitting out of it because I was a little bit concerned that if I ground this down too much, I might mess with the sort of pivot piece in there. But as it is, I like it. I think it looks good, and it'll look great in my guitar case, and I can use it for cutting guitar strings and that sort of stuff. So again, thanks John for sending it, and that's it. We'll see you next time.